For the best price, click the link in the description. We've all been there, struggling to cook a hearty meal for our family while trying to balance work and other responsibilities. But what if I told you that there's a game-changing kitchen tool that can make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable? But here's what surprised me about the Milo by Kana 5.5-Qt Dutch oven. It's not just another cooking pot. This thing is a beast of a cookware that's designed to outperform even the most seasoned chefs. But don't take my word for it. The Milo by Kana Dutch oven has been taking the Amazon bestseller list by storm, with over 10,000 reviews and a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. The stats are impressive, but what really caught my attention was its unique selling proposition. This pot is not just for cooking, it's for creating an immersive culinary experience. But let me ask you this. Have you ever tried to cook a meal that's so flavorful and aromatic that it transports you to another world? Because I have, and it was thanks to the Milo by Kana Dutch oven. But don't get me wrong. This pot is not just for fancy cooking. There's something about the Milo's design that makes it feel like an extension of your hand. It's ergonomic, it's durable, and it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this pot will make you feel like a master chef. But here's what really sets the Milo apart: its ability to distribute heat evenly and retain moisture. This means that your food will be cooked consistently every time, no more overcooked edges or undercooked centers. But that's not all. The Milo also retains flavors and aromas like no other pot I've ever used. Therefore, if you're tired of mediocre cooking results and want to take your culinary skills to the next level, keep reading. In this review, I'll dive deep into the features and benefits of the Milo by Kana Dutch oven so you can make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. By the end of this review, you'll be convinced that the Milo by Kana Dutch oven is a must-have for any kitchen. But don't just take my word for it. Let's get into the nitty-gritty details and see what makes this pot so special. The Milo by Kana Dutch oven comes with an impressive list of features that set it apart from other cookware on the market. Here are just a few. 5.5 capacity. Big enough to feed your whole family, but small enough to store in your kitchen. Thick, heavy-gauge construction ensures even heat distribution and retention. Durable ceramic coating. Non-stick surface that's PFOA-free and easy to clean. Ergonomic handle, designed for comfort and ease of use. But what really sets the Milo apart is its ability to sear meat like a pro. Whether you're cooking steak, chicken, or pork chops, this pot will give you a perfectly cooked crust every time. Therefore, if you're looking for a pot that's not just functional but also stylish, the Milo by Kana Dutch oven is worth considering. Its sleek design and vibrant color options make it a statement piece in any kitchen. But don't just take my word for it. Let's talk about some of the other benefits of using the Milo by Kana Dutch oven. From its easy cleanup to its versatility, this pot has got you covered. One of the biggest advantages of the Milo is its ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this pot is incredibly intuitive and easy to maneuver. The handle is designed for comfort, making it perfect for stirring, sautéing, or serving. But what about cleaning? Well, let me tell you, this pot is a breeze to clean. The ceramic coating is non-stick and PFOA-free, so you can just wipe it down with a damp cloth and call it a day. Therefore, if you're looking for a pot that's not just easy to use but also low maintenance, the Milo by Kana Dutch oven is an excellent choice. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into some of the reviews from other customers. As I mentioned earlier, the Milo by Kana Dutch oven has over 10,000 reviews on Amazon with a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. That's an incredible endorsement from thousands of satisfied customers. But what really caught my attention was some of the comments from reviewers who have used this pot for extended periods. Here are just a few examples. I was skeptical about spending $200 on a Dutch oven, but this thing has paid for itself tenfold. The Milo is the perfect addition to my kitchen. It's easy to use and clean, and the results are always impressive. I've tried several other cookware brands in the past, but none of them come close to the performance of the Milo. Therefore, if you're still on the fence about whether or not to buy the Milo by Kana Dutch oven, I hope these reviews have convinced you. But don't just take my word for it. Let's talk about some potential drawbacks. As with any product, there are some minor complaints from reviewers who have used this pot. However, based on my own experience and research, I'd say that the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. One of the few downsides to the Milo by Kana Dutch oven is its size. It's a bit larger than other pots in its class, which can make storage a challenge for some users. However, this is a small trade-off considering the incredible performance and versatility of this pot. Therefore, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level with the Milo by Kana Dutch oven, click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. And don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.